So, Master Practitioner course that is coming up in the next few days is something that is a gift to us, a gift to the humanity. This is a channeled and created program which is on the area of emotional, physical, and spiritual healing modality. Of course, it shapes up the personality of an individual very strongly. Yet, what are these contents of this course? And here we deal with something which is known as spiritual science energy, and we work with ascended masters. Now, who are these ascended masters? Like we can say, take the name of Sai Baba, we can take the name of Buddha, we can take the name of Master Jesus or Mother Kuan. So there are world-known masters who works with humanity from the source of supreme lights. Now, we were gifted with the understandings of these masters few years ago, and since then we have been integrating this in the programs of life. Individuals from all walks, whether it is a student or an adult or a senior citizen, a corporate person, or an individual coming from business background, or an individual who's a leader for the society, all of them have come and derived their meanings and their purposes in their life through this spiritual healing. Now, here what happens is the mind that is subjected to receive the lessons from the masters and the light from the masters through healing process internally changes their multiple negative energy thoughts. It shreds out of the space because the lights of the masters are traveling through something which is known as invocation. Invocation, which means here the channeling of the master's light energy into the consciousness through your chakras and through your senses of awareness, which is guided through the particular processes that is given in the program. Once we go through it, a mind also releases multiple baggages and also connects with our own understanding about our own self. We are able to find meaning, we are able to find a positive sense, we are able to find a purpose in life, and yet we integrate something which is known as self healing. When we work with the self healing, our life becomes sorted in multiple levels. And yet again, when we work with the masters, we are able to give healing to others in any areas: life healing, health healing, mind healing, or karmic healing. All of those areas of healing we are able to give. And we can give healing to our own self or to our family also. When we go through this, the spiritual grounding makes us a happier person, a contented person, and a sorted out individual. When all of these things are balanced, we begin to find the deeper understandings and meaning of our life. So, this is what is coming up over the weekend. We have transformed and gifted this healing modality, which is a direct gift from the walk-in of the masters to many students in India and abroad. And because right now the world is connected with online programs, and because they cannot be in the physical connect, that's why this program is also available online at this time. And this is a final batch that is coming up in this year for this master practitioner course. So why it is named as master practitioner course is an individual, though they are looking for their personal healing, they will not just heal themselves, but they are able to give healing to others as well. And they are able to find their own purpose when they connect with the master's wisdom and master's lights. And people completely let go of their stress, so they become very balanced and they become more productive, whether in relationship or whether in work area or whether in the creative area. When they anchor their mind with the spiritual energy, they bring about more positive shifts in each of those states. And what mostly people have said is they have healed their depression. We have found people suffering from health ailments, sometimes with conditions that need long time of medical management. They have completely been able to cure it from the root, because that art of self healing is something which is a deep dedication that we teach with our own self, and that we give it to the students. So that's about master practitioner course, and this is a 3-day online program that is coming up in the coming weekend. And other than that, we have lot of programs that is facilitated time and again. And Mindscan has a team with meditation mentors, teachers who also delivers these lessons from the different bases, cities, and countries, and continue to help humanity evolve and ascend to the oneness and to the light that is connected to the divine mission. So that's about us and the programs. And more about us, you can always visit our website, and you can also contact Lakshman, and you will always receive the guidance about our website, which is in the name of premilasrimangalam.com. And most of our programs are available, in the social media platform, because we have a lot of well wishers and students who have benefited from it, and they keep circulating it time and again, even without we asking at times.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the. It's been. Wish you all the best for your workshop. I'm sure
Thank you.
ki it will go great as usual.